Batch Manufacturing. Welcome to the world of batch manufacturing, where precision meets flexibility and products are made in, well, you guessed it, batches. Batch manufacturing is all about producing a specific quantity of a product at a time. Once the batch is complete, the process is adjusted and a new batch begins. Think of it like cooking in bulk. First, you make one big pot of pasta, and then you switch gears to bake cookies. Each batch is completed before moving on to the next. This type of manufacturing strikes a balance between the efficiency of mass production and the adaptability of smaller-scale operations. It's perfect for industries like food and beverages or pharmaceuticals, where you need flexibility to adjust for different flavors, formulations, or packaging sizes. But like every process, it comes with its challenges. One big pain point: switching between batches. Adjusting machines and cleaning equipment between production cycles can slow things down. And then there's inventory management, ensuring you have the right materials for each batch without overstocking or running out. Take a bakery producing macarons in different flavors. One day it's raspberry and chocolate, the next it's pistachio and lemon. Or imagine a pharmaceutical company making cough syrup in various sizes. Each batch needs precise measurements and flawless packaging. Batch manufacturing offers the perfect mix of flexibility and efficiency, ensuring high-quality products without compromising adaptability. By leveraging modern tools like inventory management systems and automated batch tracking, you can keep things moving smoothly.